Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some caramel popcorn for you. This is a fun little recipe, especially this time of year around Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up. I always enjoyed as a kid getting the big tins, you know, that had the 3 different popcorns in it, and of course the caramel was one of the ones that went the fastest, so I figured if I could figure out how to make it, I could enjoy it more on my own. So it's just simple. Start out with your bag of just microwave popcorn, but if you want to do it on the stove, you can too. And it's just as good. And once I get it popped, I'll search through my popcorn, make sure there's not any kernels in there, because a tooth against a popcorn kernel can end in some bad results. But for the caramel, I start out with my Golden Eagle here, and if you don't have Golden Eagle, you can use Kyro syrup, but Golden Eagle is the way to go. I'm telling you, it's the syrup of the South, especially if you're in Alabama. And it's just, you mix those together, you'll put them in the microwave for 3 minutes, and once that 3 minutes is up, take it out, stir the caramel mixture together to make sure your sugar is combined well with the syrup, and you go back in for another additional 3 minutes. Take it out, stir it again, and then you'll stir in this vanilla and your 2 tablespoons of butter. It goes in for additional 1 more minute, so you make sure you get that butter and vanilla incorporated in good to the caramel mixture. And then some baking soda comes in. You get it and mix it in, and it'll start frothing up and get airy, so your caramel isn't as hard and crunchy. Mix that through your popcorn, and then get you a sheet tray or something. Spread it out thin. Just be extremely careful, because you can burn yourself really bad, because that caramel is scalding hot coming out the microwave. I burnt my thumb a few times when I was doing it, so be careful if you make it. But it was worth it. A burnt finger over the caramel popcorn. But it's an easy little recipe. You can throw in peanuts, pecans, walnuts, or slivers of almonds too that are really good mixed in. But it's a fun little recipe. Some caramel popcorn for you. Anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.